Did you know you can grow beautiful houseplants without using any soil at all? That's right. Many common indoor plants can live and thrive in just water. No messy dirt, no pests, and no complicated tools. All you need is a cutting, a glass jar, clean water, and a bit of sunlight. In this video, I'll show you 20 of the most common and easy houseplants you can grow without soil. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to try something new, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and why water propagation is such a great option. Let's get started. At number 1, we have the Pothos. This is one of the easiest and most popular plants to grow in water. Just cut a vine below a leaf node, remove the bottom leaves, and place the stem in a jar of clean water. Make sure the node is under the water, as that's where the roots will grow. Keep it in a bright room, but out of direct sunlight. Change the water every week, and your pothos will thrive and grow long, trailing vines. Coming in at number 2 is lucky bamboo. It may not be a true bamboo, but it grows beautifully in water. Simply place the stalks upright in a container with a couple of inches of water. You can add some pebbles to keep them steady. Lucky bamboo does best in low to medium light and is known to bring calm and good energy to your space. At number 3, we have the spider plant. Spider plants produce baby shoots called spiderets. You can snip one off and place it in a small glass of water. Make sure the tiny roots at the bottom are under water. In just a few days, you'll see new roots growing. Keep it near a window with indirect light and enjoy its fresh, lively look. Number 4 is the philodendrin. These plants are perfect for growing in water. Just cut a stem below a node, remove the bottom leaves, and place it in a jar. It does best in bright, indirect light and will start growing roots quickly. Change the water every 7 to 10 days to keep it healthy. At number 5, we have English ivy. This classic trailing plant does really well in cooler indoor temperatures. Cut a vine below a leaf node, remove the leaves near the bottom, and place it in water. It prefers bright, indirect light and will root in about 2 weeks. English ivy looks great trailing from a hanging vase or jar. Number 6 is coleus. Known for its vibrant leaves, coleus grows fast in water. Cut a 4-inch piece, remove the lower leaves, and place the stem in a small jar. Keep it in a warm spot with indirect sunlight. In a week or so, you'll start to see roots forming. Number 7, we have the wandering Jew. This plant has striking purple and green leaves, and it roots very easily. Snip a section of stem, remove any lower leaves, and drop it in water. Place the jar near a window with bright, indirect light. In no time, it'll start trailing and growing quickly. Number 8 is the peace lily. You can grow peace lily in water by carefully washing the soil off its roots. Place the roots in a tall vase of water, keeping the leaves above the surface. It loves medium to bright light, but not direct sun. Be sure to change the water weekly and rinse the roots as needed. Number 9, we have the Chinese evergreen. Take a cutting or gently clean the roots of a soil-grown plant. Place it in a container with clean water, making sure the roots are submerged. This plant does well in low light and prefers warm, stable conditions. At number 10 is the Singonium, also known as the arrowhead plant. Cut a healthy stem just below a node, remove the lower leaves and place it in water. It grows quickly and looks fantastic on desks or windowsills. Make sure to keep it in bright, indirect light and refresh the water regularly. Number 11, we have the Monstera. This trendy houseplant is easy to grow in water if you have a cutting with a node and an aerial root. Place it in a tall glass container filled with clean water. Put it near a bright window and change the water every 7 to 10 days. You'll see roots grow fast. Coming in at number 12 is the ZZ plant. This one is a bit slow to root in water, but it's still possible. Cut a stem with a few leaves and place the base in water. It prefers low to medium light and will eventually grow roots if you're patient. At number 13, we have the Dracaena. Varieties like lemon lime or Janet Craig root well in water. Take a stem cutting, remove the lower leaves and place it in a tall jar. Give it medium light and fresh water every week. Number 14 is Begonia. Both wax and rex begonias can root in water. Just take a stem or leaf cutting and place it in a shallow glass. Keep it in a bright, warm spot, but out of direct sun. You'll see roots in a couple of weeks. At number 15, we have the snake plant. Also known as Sansevieria, this tough plant can grow in water if you place a healthy leaf cutting in a tall jar. Let the cut end dry out for a day to prevent rotting. Then place it in clean water with just the bottom inch submerged. It's a slow grower in water, but incredibly hardy and perfect for low-light spots. At number 16, we have the Heartleaf Filidendrin micans. This velvet leaf variety of philodendron grows just as easily in water as the classic green one. Its soft, trailing vines look stunning in a hanging glass jar. Snip a vine just below a node. Remove the bottom leaves and place the cutting in water. Give it indirect sunlight and change the water every 7 to 10 days. At number 17, we have the Tradescantia, also called inch plant. It has striped leaves and grows quickly in water. Just snip a stem and place it in a small glass with bright indirect light. It's fast growing and looks great in hanging jars. Coming in at number 18 is the purple heart. This plant has rich purple stems and leaves, and it's very easy to grow in water. Take a cutting, remove the lower leaves and keep it in a sunny spot. You'll see roots forming quickly. At number 19, we have oregano. This culinary herb roots just like basil or mint. Cut a few stems, strip off the lower leaves and place them in a jar of clean water. Keep it in a sunny window and you'll have fresh oregano ready to use. And finally, at number 20 is lavender. Lavender takes a little more care but can root in water. Use soft young cuttings, remove the lower leaves and place them in a bright area. It may take a few weeks to root, but once it does, it makes your home smell amazing. Benefits of growing plants in water. So why grow plants in water? For starters, it's cleaner. No soil means no mess, and it also reduces the chances of bugs or fungus. It's perfect for small spaces, and you can reuse any glass jar or vase. Water propagation lets you see the roots as they grow, making it super satisfying and educational, especially for beginners. And there you have it, 20 common houseplants you can grow in water without using any soil. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, stylish way to bring greenery indoors, this is the perfect method. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Which plant are you most excited to try in water? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and happy growing!